Right, so I've started the build on the Spitfire, and first thing I've learnt really is, I mean, the instructions are very good, they're very clear, but the Airfix YouTube channel show you how to put this together as well, and they detail something on there which are not in the instructions. For example, they're suggesting that, which I'm doing, you paint the inside of the cockpit area with the green paint, mix some with water to water it down because it's going to need more than one coat, and the underside here of the aircraft, so not the underside, sorry, that side of the aircraft, because again that will be viewed through the cockpit. And I've also painted, while I'm doing that, the seat, because why not do that at the same time while you mix some paint, although they're, again on the video they're suggesting a slightly different time zone on that, because obviously once these are glued together you can't paint the inside. So there's a little tip that doesn't show you in the instructions but is on their video. Now I did wash all these parts because what they call surface tension of the paint going on, but also on lots of models and lots of videos you see people spraying on a primer first. So I've tried that with the, this is the actual stand which you put together at the end, but I've done it on the first on this. Now Humbrol do a grey primer. I didn't see in the hobby shop I went to, so I've just gone to Toolstation, which is in the UK a tool as it sounds, where you can buy tools, paints and all this sort of thing. So I bought some primer, grey primer there, which is really for the automotive industry, but it seems to be working alright. So once I've assembled all this, I'll probably give it a coat of primer to make the actual paints go on a lot easier. So while I'm waiting for the paints to dry, I've just done number 2 part, which is where the propeller will eventually go in. And again on YouTube they say that's a bit tricky, but I didn't find any issues with that. And so I don't lose all these bits, put that in a little container. Okay, so that's where we are now. I'm just going to give these painted areas a second coat and then move on.